If you feel like someone might be spying on your iPhone, don't panic. In this video, I will show you a few quick checks you can do right now. These steps are simple and they can help you spot suspicious activity. First, let's check call forwarding. This one is important because call forwarding can send your calls to another number without you realizing it. So first, go to settings, then scroll all the way down to apps. Now find out phone. Then again scroll down to call forwarding. The reason we are checking this is because if someone enabled it, they could redirect your calls, so it's very important to check. Now when you open it, if it says call forwarding is disabled, that's good. But if it shows enabled and you didn't turn it on, switch it off right away. After you turn it off, your calls will stay on your phone and nobody can silently redirect them. Now let's check the camera and a microphone indicator. This is one of the easiest warning signs. Look at the top of your screen. If you see a small orange dot, that means your microphone is being used. If you see a small dot, that means your camera is being used. The reason we check this is because the spying apps often need the microphone or camera to record you. Now if you see the orange or green dot when you are not on a call, not recording voice and not using the camera, that's a red flag. In that moment, check which app is open and close the app right away. And if you don't recognize it or you don't trust it, you can uninstall that app. Also go to settings, then privacy and security, then scroll down to microphone and turn off microphone access for unnecessary apps. And also do this for camera. Now finally, let's check location tracking by apps. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down to privacy and security, then location services. The reason we check this is because someone spying on you may wanna track where you go. When you open location services, look for apps that are using location, especially the ones with a location arrow. If you see an app that doesn't need your location or an app you don't trust, tap on it and change the permission. Set it to never or choose a more limited option like while use the app. After you change this setting, that app can no longer track your location in the background, which reduces the chance of silent tracking. And that's it. If anything looked suspicious during these checks, remove unknown apps, limit permissions, and keep your settings under your control. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.